Welcome to another stunning transformation by DC Home Remodeling, your reliable home renovation partner. This recently completed project, located in Northwest Washington, D.C., features a full kitchen and bathroom remodel, blending modern design with timeless functionality. From custom cabinetry and sleek countertops to high-end fixtures and flawless tile work, every detail was carefully crafted to meet our client's vision. At DC Home Remodeling, we're committed to turning dreams into reality, one home at a time. Your reliable home renovation partner. Let us bring your dream space to life. Exceptional craftsmanship, unrivaled quality. At DC Home Remodeling, we don't just build, we elevate your space. Precision, passion, perfection. Excellence isn't a goal, it's our standard. From concept to completion, every detail matters. At DC Home Remodeling, we bring visions to life with excellence at every step. Your vision is our mission. We listen, we design, we build with purpose and precision. At DC Home Remodeling, your dream space becomes reality. Licensed, insured, proven experience. Fully licensed and insured, DC Home Remodeling delivers quality you can count on, where vision becomes reality, crafted with care, driven by integrity.